Adam Ramirez. We're in Liberty, New York. I heard about you guys on the internet. I went on the internet. Sullivan County here really doesn't have much of options. And I read a couple of reviews. So I gave a call, and it was a very good decision I made, and just help from beginning to end was phenomenal. I'm very satisfied. The work is, as you can see behind me, is phenomenal. We had our garage floor basically was all cracked and collapsed from the rainwaters and stuff. They came in right from day one. They gave me a couple of options on what to do as far as the repairs. Martin with his crew came in yesterday, started working. We had a discussion about, again, over the options, and we made some adjustments based on his recommendations, which turned out to be good. And I'm totally satisfied. Very friendly group, very professional. Worked. Martin kept me in the loop all the way around if I had any questions or any concerns, and it was really enjoyable watching him work.